Hello and welcome to another MCO market update. Today we want to take a look here at the shorter time frame only. In the last video I covered the daily chart. Yeah, I reminded you that it could very well be, the last video I reminded you it could very well be, and it's preferred that this here is just another attempt to form a B-wave top. It looked a little bit as if this was already the B-wave top yesterday. The market sold off quite strongly. It wasn't that strong, but the momentum initially was quite high, so it was reasonable to, let's say, already watch for a C-wave decline, this swing low that happened late on Sunday, but then the market recovered again. And I have to take the position that this was the B-wave top, but I talked about that already in the last video. Either way, the idea would be that this red B-wave formed as a so-called flat correction ABC. And we're now moving down in the C-wave in red, possibly targeting 82,114 to 81,235. With another additional support level at 80K. There's really no change. The only thing is the last dip here again looks a little bit like a three-wave move down. We have to be careful. I'm now really here doing some micro counting, so I don't really feel any need to add some wave labels to that because it's quite unclear to me. It could very well be this is the wave 1, A, B, C in wave 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C. But these change very, very often and it's not so useful. We'll see if we get downside follow through. It's a bit too early to say. It could morph a little bit. It could change. B waves can even overshoot. But to be honest, if we get an overshooting B wave here, it might be that we've bottomed already. Talking about, the wave 2 or the wave 4 here. That would be a reasonable alternative that we've bottomed already. The reason why I'm saying that is because this already looked like 5 waves down. Then we had a lower high and a lower low. It's just that if it's bottomed, then this was a weak B wave. Okay, no, that's fine. And the C wave was extremely weak. And we reached only the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. Could very well be that we're extending this wave 2 correction. Yeah, very well could be. And it could take us to round about 82,114 or 81,235, as I said. Important is, I think, just to remind you that I'm looking for higher prices overall. This is really just a micro perspective. I'm looking for higher prices overall because this move to the upside is a little bit too high to be clearly part of yellow wave 4, which is our bearish scenario for one more low. Even though that's still technically valid, we have not broken yet above the Wednesday high 2nd of April. But the yellow count would become more likely with a break below that red line at 78,421. So to be very clear, and I'll keep the video short, any break below 80K will already increase probabilities that the yellow count is leading. However, it takes a break below 78,421 to confirm that. And at this point, if we get a decisive break above the Monday swing high here at 85,436, it's very much possible the next leg up has started. And that would be wave 3 in red or wave 5 in white. The only way to distinguish between them is to watch if we can get another 4 or 5 afterwards, which would be the red count. In the white count, this is a local top at least in a wave A in white after the next high. Okay, so either way, I would say it's quite simple. As long as we're holding that red line at 78,421, I'm going to watch for one more high in white wave 1. And really, the price has only been consolidating over the weekend. I'll keep you updated about any developments. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.